In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shein App Freeze problem using the latest guide. If you've been experiencing issues with the app freezing, you're not alone, and thankfully, there are some straightforward steps you can take to resolve this issue. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the simplest solution, restarting the app. If you haven't tried this yet, go ahead and close the Shein app completely. Once it's closed, reopen it and check if the freeze problem persists. Sometimes apps just need a little reset to get back on track. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the app cache. For those of you using an Android device, you'll want to navigate to your settings, then go to Apps, find the Shein app, tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache. This can often clear up any data that's causing the app to hang. Now, if you're using an iOS device, the process is a bit different. Open the Shein app and go to the Me section, then head over to Settings where you'll find the option to clear cache. This option is important to keep the app running smoothly without hiccups. Moving on, let's ensure that your app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and check if there are any updates available for the Shein app. Sometimes developers release updates specifically to fix bugs like freezing issues. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app to benefit from these enhancements. Another simple yet effective step is to restart your device. Oftentimes, a simple reboot can clear out any temporary bugs or glitches that might be impacting app performance. So go ahead and give your phone a fresh start. Now, it's also important to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. An unstable connection can cause the app to freeze as it struggles to load data properly. If none of these solutions have worked so far, consider reinstalling the app. Start by deleting the Shein app from your device, and then reinstall it from the official store, either the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once reinstalled, log back in. This can often resolve persistent issues by ensuring that the app's files are correctly installed. With these steps, you should be well equipped to tackle any freezing issues on the Shein app and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.